Hi there, welcome to this penthouse in Colombo 3, Platinum 1, one of Colombo's most extraordinary residences. (5,400 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, a 2-floor duplex penthouse where the ocean isn't just a view, it's a way of life. The living space, grandeur, a lot of natural light just flooding through, and the ocean stretching as far as the eye can see. For a penthouse at this scale, design and prestige, this is an unbeatable value for unmatched luxury. For just 100,000 rupees a month of a service fee and a price per square feet at just 60,000, you're getting the best of Colombo 3 at the best value. And here's what makes this penthouse even more unique. Your private plunge pool that's exclusive for this penthouse. Here you are in your private oasis floating above the city as you watch the waves roll in. This isn't just about size, this is scale. Double height ceiling, layouts that seem so seamless, segregation between your private and your entertaining spaces. This doesn't just feel like a home or an apartment in the sky. This is your villa in the clouds. This dramatic space just has it all. You have your spacious Maids Quarters, you have your chef's kitchen, you have 4 parking spaces in this space, your private plunge pool, your restful abode that brings privacy and tranquility with all ocean-facing views. This is a space that is not just what you own, but tells that you have arrived. At 330 million rupees, this penthouse is rare, refined, and ready for its next owner. So if you want to own a penthouse where your soul becomes part of the ocean, call me. Let's get you inside this penthouse before somebody else claims it.